SRQ Auto, people you like, cars you can trust.
You are going to love the 2007 Mustang. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine, and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, power steering, one-touch windows, The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.